Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the iPad is actually locked and gathering proof. Logically, you need the Apple ID or documented ownership to proceed. This proves you're entitled to remove the lock. Once done, ask the previous owner to sign into iCloud. Find and remove the device from their account or provide their credentials to you for a brief sign-in. Make sure to keep the original receipt handy and note the serial number before contacting support so you don't waste time. You now follow Apple's formal removal path. Contact Apple support online or schedule a Genius Bar appointment. Explain you legitimately own the iPad and provide the serial number, original receipt, and a government ID. Apple needs these to validate the claim. Once Apple verifies, they will either remove activation lock remotely or guide you through steps in store. Be patient. Verification can take a day or longer. Also, make sure the iPad is powered and can connect to Wi-Fi when they attempt the remote removal. To finish, you sign into the iPad with the approved Apple ID and complete setup. This proves the lock is gone. If Apple denies removal, ask for the specific reason and immediately supply any additional documentation. Often a clearer receipt or matching serial number resolves the issue. If you remain stuck, escalate the case with Apple support, request a supervisor review, or pursue a consumer protection complaint in your region. One key troubleshooting tip: verify the serial number on the receipt exactly matches the device. Mismatches cause most rejections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.